Cassie Hyde has always been the person who shows up for others. Now, she needs us to show up for her. My name is Jeanette, and along with Cody Casano, I am reaching out to help Cassie begin again after unimaginable loss. On July 4th, 2025, a catastrophic flood swept through Cassie's community. In just moments, she lost her home, her car, her job, and heartbreakingly, some of her closest friends who were like family. Cassie has poured her love and energy into her community for years. Now, she stands in the rubble of her life, holding on to her unwavering faith. "Even still, God is good," said Cassie. We are rallying together to help Cassie rebuild. Donations will go directly to her for immediate needs like housing, transportation, clothing, and essentials. If you are able, please consider donating or sharing this message. Every contribution, no matter the size, makes a difference. Let's show Cassie she is not alone. Even in the deepest grief, love and support can rise. If you prefer to donate directly, Cassie's Venmo is @CassieHyde. Please verify the exact spelling to avoid scam accounts. Thank you for standing with Cassie.